Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be the 2018 birthday gifts for Sephora and Ulta. I am a Sephora VIB Rouge and I was Platinum. I don't think I made Platinum in 2017 for 2018, but at Ulta. The gifts don't seem to matter whether you're Platinum or not, so I'll first go over the Ulta gift. I believe they do these quarterly, so my birthday is January 5th, so this should be the birthday gift for January, February, March. I always try to get my video up as soon as I can, but I ordered online for Sephora and I had to wait for it to get here, so that's why it's like mid-January before I'm even getting to filming this. This is the Ulta birthday gift, Birthday Kisses from Ulta Beauty Collection. So the two products in here are Ulta brand. It says, Happy Birthday, Ulta Beauty Collection wants to help you celebrate your special day with the perfect pout. This is Cranberry and Pomegranate that revitalizes and nurtures with antioxidants. And inside there are two things in the box. Easily you can see that there's a tube. This is the Juice Infused Lip Oil by Ulta Beauty. I think I can smell it through the package. Yeah, Cranberry Pomegranate. It's basically like a, yeah, very glossy, like I said, it's like it's a lip oil. It feels good. It smells really good. I like cranberries though, so. And then the last thing in here is this. And this is the lip mask in Cranberry and Pomegranate. This hydrating gel mask infused with vitamin E helps to moisturize and nourish for softer lips. Apply to clean lips for 10 to 15 minutes. So you just like peel it and lay it on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the birthday gift from Ulta for January through March. It might be all year, but I think it's January through March. I'm not super impressed. I mean, would I have purchased either of these things with my own money? Absolutely not. So there are my two thoughts. There are my 2 cents on the Ulta gift for 2018. Now there are 3 for Sephora. I have 2 of them. The third one that I'm not going to show is Bumble and Bumble, the hairdresser's oil or secret oil, whatever it's called. And then there's another Bumble and Bumble product. I think it's 2. It might be 3 minis in that hairdresser's product thing. I think they do that like for men or for, you know, like not everybody wants lipstick or whatever. So they try to have different options, but usually they only advertise these 2. So the easy one, this is Glam Glow brand, Hello Sexy. It says Happy Birthday on the top with a little bow. I don't know if you can even see that, but inside are 2 products. There is the Glam Glow Mud Mask. This is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. It's a mini. It is 0.5 ounces. Just a little tube, that. And then the other product in here I actually really like. This is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Nude Glow. So this is a moisturizer. It says apply it evenly over face, wear alone or layer with your favorite foundation. Can also be used on the neck and décolleté. This Nude Glow, Glam Glow stuff, yep, still does. It smells like Fruit Loops. Like when I put this on, I love it. I love to wear it under stuff, and it is a nude shade. I'll try to show you, but it's not really that noticeable. This stuff's pricey too, the full size, so I was really excited. This is probably the one that I'm the most excited about. But it's basically just a nude, like illuminating, shimmery product. You can't even really see it, so. It is called Nude Glow, so that's probably why you can't see it. I think this is the one I'm the most excited about, maybe. It's a tie for this one and the other Sephora gift. This is the Pucker Up It's Your Birthday by Bite Beauty. And it's just a little box. It comes with 3 products. The one that I'm least excited about, which some people might love, this is the Agave Lip Mask. Agave Lip Balm. And it's just this 2 little pod thingies. It's the Agave Lip Balm and the Agave Sugar Lip Scrub, the exfoliant. So just a little tiny thing, probably single use, maybe 2 uses if you're lucky. And then the other 2 products are pretty cool. So this is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Chai lipstick, or lipstick in the shade Chai. It's a mini. In case you're curious, the size is 0.05 ounces. This is like a pretty standard size you'd get in like a subscription box. So Chai is kind of like a mauvey brown, nude or mid-tone at most. Really pretty. These smell kind of lemony, so you might like that, you might not. And then this is the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the shade Glacé. And it's one of those like screw up, you don't have to sharpen it, lip crayons. It's a very similar shade to the one I just showed. this one here, but it's more pinky than brown. And that's supposed to be a matte. These ones don't really have too much of a scent, but you can screw it up. And it does have more product. The amount of product in this, I like the pointed tip too, because you don't have to use a lip liner. It makes it really easy to be accurate. That is 0.031 ounces. And the Agave lip balm is 0.018 ounces. And the lip scrub is 0.018 ounces as well. So those are the 3 gifts that I have to show you. 1 from Ulta, 2 from Sephora. And like I said, there is a 3rd from Sephora. I think those go on all year, and you don't have to purchase anything. If you go online, you will have to purchase something if you want free shipping. But for VIB Rouge members or Flash shipping members, I think you can just get the free gift. I'm not sure if you have to purchase. People always ask that on this video. I do it every year. And I don't know, I usually purchase something. Or you can actually walk into the store and say, hello, I'd like my birthday gift, please. And then they'll ask for your info, and they'll verify that your account says your birthday was in that month, and they'll give it to you. So you can walk into the store, purchase nothing at Ulta, I got the free gift. You can walk into Sephora, purchase nothing at Sephora, get the free gift. As far as free shipping, I'm not sure. I think you do have to purchase something, but not if you have flash shipping, perhaps. Comment down below if you guys know otherwise, or if you know the gifts for April through June, or later in the year that Ulta provides, but I believe Sephora has the same gift for Rouge and non-Rouge members, and I think it's all year long. That is it for this year's birthday gift. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.